Five Nights at Freddy's Lego set. And
well, they're not official Legos, but they're kind of like Legos.
Yeah. We have the show stage, Pirates Cove, and the office.
There's one that's coming soon. That's called the backstage.
The backstage is coming soon.
That's Wither Chica.
All right. So what's on the back? Show us the back sides of them. You can take them off the tower. Or the towers look actually pretty good. Ooh. Okay. So there's Golden Freddy set, and then there's Foxy set. Okay. So Golden Freddy has the office, and Foxy has Pirate Cove, and then last is the show stage.
When was like that? It kind of looked like the T Tower from Teen Titans Go.
Oh, is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a reference.
Oh, good reference. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and start unboxing.
Okie dokie, let's unbox Pirates Cove.
Yeah.
Foxy, let me get out! Let me get out!
Just a sec, Foxy. I'm trying to get you out.
Let me out! I want to get out so I can move.
Well, Dave, why don't you start unboxing the other one?
It's good!
Why don't you do the office, Khalif?
Hey, you didn't do it. Oh, here it is. I can do it.
It's the show stage.
Okay, so what do we got here?
Mr. Foxy.
Show me the Freddy, Khalif. Oh man, look at that guy. He looks a lot like the big action figure, doesn't he?
Yeah.
And there's Foxy.
Look at that school ziggle.
And you can take fire. Look.
Oh, they fighting. Oh, look at his big mouth.
That's his endoskeleton. Let me show you that.
First, let's go ahead and unbox the show stage, and then we'll show all 5 characters
Okay, yeah.
side by side.
I take a minute.
And what is it? I don't know what it is. I forgot what it is. Oh, stickers! Stickers that go on Golden Freddy that you put on there.
Oh, the stickers that go on the actual set?
Yeah. Another sticker. Oh, you have to build Bonnie. You have to build Bonnie and Chica.
Alright. It looks like, so these things are made by McFarlane Toys, is that who it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, McFarlane Toys. So they're not actually Lego, they're McFarlane, which he's the old comic guy that made Spawn and all that good stuff. And all the other good designer toys. Yeah.
Let me build this, okay?
But Chica's endo. Now, look at the statue.
Where's her does she have an endoskeleton? I don't know. Guys, okay, I guess you're wondering, where did we get these? Well, we are happy to go into the toy section and find these here.
Toy section where?
At Walmart.
Yeah, we just happened to be walking around Walmart's toy section, and we saw the entire kit with all these guys.
Chica's not supposed to be like that. Chica's not supposed to be like that. He's like, oh, you're screaming. And Bonnie doesn't look very good. It's not even put Bonnie to far in. And how do you have to push this down? Oh, there we go. Oh, the characters are done.
It's very noise.
Look at what we got.
The original.
Oh, it's the OG crew, the animatronics. Look at these guys.
The original
Oh.
The original crew.
Who do we got? Give me their names.
Freddy, Bonnet, Chica.
You gotta point to them
Foxy,
and tell us.
Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, Golden Freddy.
Ooh, so what's different about Golden Freddy versus regular Freddy?
This one was originally Fredbear, and in the 1970s, and then he was put in like in a safe or something like that, and his eyes fell out. Like the things that he had fell out, and his purple and pink bow tie, purple, kind of bow tie turned to black. So this one's older than this one.
Oh.
Golden Freddy is the one that made the 587.
So do you want to get one of your Funko Pop Freddy and put it next to this Freddy and show them the difference in size?
Huge.
Okay, so Khalif got his Funko Pop Freddy, which is missing a leg right now, but you can see the size difference with these guys.
I don't know how big these are.
Those are guys, I think they're 6 inches tall.
I think this guy's like 1 or 2 inches.
Yep. It's a big difference there in your sizes. Yep. Alright guys, so y'all ready to put together the playsets?
Yes.
Okay. So it says to start with 3 of these big things. These 3 here.
To your office, settle down and take a seat. Please pay no attention to the terrifying screams. You should hear the worries of the voice that's on the phone. Tonight you might be by yourself, but you are not alone. The masks that we wear pretend they are there, when you can only hide for so long. Why don't you spend the night, then you'll find there's evil that waits inside. Spend the night, then you'll find there's evil that waits inside. Spend the night, then you'll find there's evil that waits inside. Spend the night, then you'll find there's evil that waits inside.
Hey guys, look what's done.
Alright, we finally got it together.
Yeah.
First we need to get the electronics on the stage. They're trying to fix Chica.
Alright, so let's show it to you up close.
Oh, my microphone is the wrong way. Maybe.
Oh, look at these guys.
Chica needs to get on the stage. Hey,
So it's pretty cool. These doors open up. Come into the fun house.
this is not a fun house.
Oh yeah,
It's a pizzeria.
pizzeria.
Freddy, why are you being like that?
Yeah, Freddy's on stage.
He's looking out the door. See who's coming.
Yeah, so we got a little video game there. Freddy Fazbear video game. Happy birthday banner.
Next day we're gonna do the others.
Yep. Now we gotta build the other ones and we'll show you what the whole playset looks like, right? Alright,
Yeah.
we'll cut to that.
Hey guys, we finished the stage.
Alright!
And now we're gonna do Pirates Cove.
Okay, where's Pirates Cove? We got the box here.
Yeah.
Let's put it together.
There's evil that waits inside me.
Alright guys, we got Pirates Cove together.
Yeah.
Pirates Cove. Okay,
Look how
now
small it is, right?
let's move on to
The off.
office.
No.
Okay.
There's gonna be something else that's gonna come with.
What?
Later, when the chica comes out, Goldfray's not gonna be there anymore. It just says that it has Nightmare Freddy.
Nightmare. Oh look, okay, let's see the office now that we finished it. This thing is pretty cool looking. Look, you got, I don't know what this rod's supposed, I guess that's the pipe that's supposed to be in the bottom basement of the office.
It's not in the game.
I don't know. Oh, the fan keeps falling off the desk. And let's look at this Pirates Cove. Pirates Cove is really just Foxy's shower.
No, it's not. That's Foxy's hiding place.
It's Foxy's shower with Foxy's steering wheel.
No, it's
Really
not
much in
Foxy's
there. Yeah,
shower.
it's just a shower is all it is. We lost Foxy's hook as well. We'll find it.
I can't believe he called it Foxy's shower. That's his hiding place.
Okay, so here's the whole set that we got. Turn it this way so you can see them all. Okay, so you get the office, the show stage, and the Pirates Cove.
I think this show stage about took about an hour to do.
Yeah, the show stage took us a little bit. That was a tough Lego set. And we keep
Okay.
saying Legos, but they're not really Legos.
It's like Lego blocks or something, I think.
Well, these now are McFarlane blocks, I guess we can call them. Yeah, okay, so you guys want to show them how you play with it a little bit?
Well, there's a lot of stuff that they could do. And I think this looks like a balloon fighter.
Balloon fighter?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
It
right.
also kind of looks like one of the Final Space minigames in a game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, which one's your favorite?
I pretty like the show stage and the office.
What's your favorite part about it?
Favorite part about it is the characters.
The characters are the best part?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I think that Pirates Cove is kind of cheap myself. It's just a shower.
No, it's not a shower.
It's just a shower. That's all it is. It's Foxy taking a shower.
No, but why? But animatronics, but robots would die if it has water. But
Then it makes even less sense. And then why are we gonna have an animatronic in a shower?
it doesn't have one. It has Foxy in a shower, but it doesn't have one because he'll die.
Oh, okay. Alright, so what do you guys think about these new McFarlane by Master Freddy? These
Really
Lego
cool.
blocks?
Very cool.
It's still coming out.
There's still more coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we want to do one, we could get one of Chica.
Yeah, because I guess we've got the show stage, the office, and Pirates Cove, but we did not get backstage because we already had one Chica toy in this show stage, so I decided we didn't need to
And
get that.
couldn't find it.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they had it or not. But, so I guess now they're going to have the new sister location characters come out, huh?
Yeah.
But sister location, the game, doesn't come out until October 7th. The Scott Coffin's already released a release date.
Comes out October 7th.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
And when Sister Location comes out, Finance and Candies 3 comes out.
I don't know if it's the exact date or not, so.
Alright, well let's finish up telling them, well, you want to show me anything else on these sets?
The most thing about the Gold Freddy one is because I see something that something is missing in there.
What's missing?
I know something that's missing right now.
What?
A Freddy plushie.
Oh, they do need a Freddy plushie, don't they?
Yeah. They did a cupcake instead.
Oh, the cupcake. Well, the cupcake was a good addition.
Yeah.
Well, the cupcake is still on the desk anyway.
There's also probably
Last shot of this guy. Oh man, these are pretty cool, really. I mean, for them to recreate.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And also it's pretty cool when Foxy has a pirate wheel right there.
Has a what?
A pirate wheel.
Pirate wheel, that's right.
Yeah, we over in the game we don't see inside Pirate's Cove.
Mm-hmm.
So we really don't know what it looks like.
Alright guys, well what's your final review?
Pretty dang good.
Pretty dang good.
This is my first reaction.
Oh, that's a pretty epic reaction. Alright guys, what are you going to give it? 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up or all your whole arms up?
Oh.
Naji gives it 1 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Khalif gives it 2 thumbs up. Oh, and Khalif gives a toe up too, huh? Alright guys, well, let's sign out.
Well, signing out of Boys Review Toys. See you in the next one.